When you hit a hornet's nest, the hornets will swarm out to protect the nest and attack anything that is trying to injure them. So too, exosomes swarm out of the front of the nose to attack the bacteria when they are detected by the cells of the front of the nose. Exosomes are small vesicles which have been shown to be released from cells throughout the body. There has been evidence in other fields that exosomes are capable of attacking bacteria and protecting the body from infection. Our group has already shown that exosomes are present in the nose. We asked the natural question as to whether they too could be contributing to the immune system within the nasal cavity. When we breathe in bacteria from the environment, the front of the nose detects the bacteria and then they become trapped in the mucus layer. The bacteria are cleared by the nose through a process called mucociliary clearance. While this is an effective way of getting rid of the bacteria, it also necessarily exposes all of the nasal lining cells from front to back to these trapped bacteria within the mucus. While the cells in the front of the nose are aware of the presence of the bacteria, the cells in the back of the nose are not, and yet they are becoming exposed to it through the very process that is meant to protect the nose. Could exosomes be participating in a process to prevent and defend the nose against these bacteria? We looked at the response of the cells of the front of the nose to a molecule that is present within the cell wall of a common bacteria. When we exposed the cells to the front of the nose to this molecule, we found the cells doubled the amount of exosomes that were released into the mucus, and the exosomes contained twice the amount of defensive proteins as before. We further found that these exosomes were capable of transporting these proteins between cells in a time frame that was more rapid than the time it takes to clear the mucus out of the nose. This suggests that the exosomes are not only protective against killing bacteria, but also can donate these protective proteins to other cells, in a way inoculating them against the oncoming bacteria. In fact, when we tested these exosomes against bacteria, they were as powerful as a strong antibiotic. This is one of the first times we have ever shown that the human immune system can reach outside of the body to attack bacteria before they actually have a chance to penetrate the cells and cause damage. We suspect that a similar process may be going on in the lungs and lower airway. We also found a host of other proteins within the exosomes, and we know that the exosomes are present not only in the bacteria, but in the state of normal health as well. Potentially, exosomes are there to control both abnormal and normal bacteria and maintain a healthy nasal microbiome. Because the exosomes are taken up by epithelial cells with such great efficiency, this would suggest that exosomes could be used to package drugs to increase the efficiency of uptake both for nasal disease